My name is Andrew and this is Rogue Wrenching. Today we're building an RV gate. If you guys are looking for a way to do a custom lowering kit on the car, the trick here is to put all your cinder blocks for your project in the back seat of your little Acura. Taking off like a rocket ship. Alright, so where we're at right now is we've got the rebar in, the hole is dug, rebar's all wired up, and we are about ready to pour some concrete. So full disclosure, I've never done concrete work before, so this is going to be exciting for all of us. Okay, what are the instructions? Oh, yeah, gloves. We've got the gloves. All right. Mixer. Add approximately 2 quarts of clean water for each 60 pounds. Oh, we need 2 quarts. Okay, so I'm gonna. Did he use a hoe?
Basically a hoe.
I have a. You can always turn the.
I know, I wasn't sure if it was quite so excited.
Did you read the rest of the instructions? Because I definitely didn't. Yeah.
Specific instructions, like, well,
I just know that if you put too much water in, it can reduce the strength of the concrete by like 40%. We're gonna build some forms and pour a little concrete. Are you Daddy's helper?
Yeah. Look, baby, look at the gloopy cement. That's what we made with the water and rocks. Did Daddy do a good job?
I told you.
Is Daddy getting all dirty?
It is a beautiful Tuesday afternoon here in Arizona. It's presently about 101 degrees Fahrenheit, which is absolutely delightful weather to work in. We've got our forms that we poured yesterday have dried, or not dried, technically cured. Concrete doesn't dry, it cures. And what else is exciting? Oh, so we're gonna break the, we're gonna take the wooden form boards off and get going with laying some blocks. So that's exciting. Okay, so you see this big void in here. I don't love that. Yeah, overall, I think this concrete mix was a little dry when it went in. You can see some of the voids there towards the bottom. I got spiders and everything. So, I think we've learned that a little bit wetter mix is probably good, and to lay it properly is also important. So, we've learned a little something here with this concrete pour, and hopefully we'll do better next time. Yeah, but I feel like the more I do...
Honestly, it's only going to get easier.
You got one too.
So now all we got to do is measure for the gate and build the gate. Easier said than done. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold it right there? Keep holding it. You got it? Hold tight. Alright, so we've set the caps. See that nice wet mortar on the cap and that cap, and then went ahead and rinsed down the rock as we pushed it back up and blended up against the new concrete there. Drew the rock out across, and now we've rinsed it to try to help get the dust off of it so it looks a little bit more uniform. So there she is. All we got to do is build a gate. 2 different sizes of 3/8. So, got, it just looks great.
My mind is like a house full of empty rooms, but now and then some of them start to feel like tombs for every part of my heart that I'll eventually lose. I just wish this could be clear to you and real to you.